Hello, everyone. I am Paul. Welcome back to Fluent World Podcast. I'm really happy you are here today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone shopping and wanted to speak English, but you didn't know what to say? If yes, this video is for you. In this lesson, you will learn simple English phrases for shopping. You will learn what to say in a shop step by step, and you will practice speaking with me slowly and clearly. Please watch this video till the end. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent World Podcast for daily English speaking practice. All right, let's start. When you enter a shop, you can start like this. Listen first. Hello. Repeat with me. Hello. Good. Another common one is hi. Repeat. Hi. Very simple. The shopkeeper may say, "Can I help you?" You can reply, "Yes, please." Repeat. Yes, please. Or, "Just looking, thank you." Repeat slowly. Just looking, thank you. Great. Now let's ask for something. Listen carefully. I'm looking for a shirt. Repeat slowly. I'm looking for a shirt. Good. You can change the word. I'm looking for shoes. Repeat. I'm looking for a bag. Repeat. Very easy. Another useful sentence. Do you have this in blue? Repeat slowly. Do you have this in blue? Excellent. Now let's ask about the price. Listen. How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? Good. If there are many items, how much are these? Repeat slowly. How much are these? Perfect. Size is very important when shopping. Listen carefully. Do you have this in medium? Repeat slowly. Do you have this in medium? You can change it. Small. Large. Good. Another useful phrase. Can I try this on? Repeat. Can I try this on? Very common sentence. If you like something, you can say, I like this. Repeat. I like this. Or, this looks good. Repeat slowly. This looks good. If you don't like it, I don't like it. Repeat. Or, it's too big. Repeat. It's too expensive. Repeat slowly. Good job. Buying the item. Now you want to buy it. Say, I'll take this. Repeat slowly. I'll take this. Very important phrase. At the counter, you can say, Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? Or, can I pay in cash? Repeat slowly. Can I pay in cash? Now listen to a simple shopping conversation. Shopkeeper. Hello, can I help you? Paul. Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt. Shopkeeper. How about this one? Paul. It looks good. How much is this? Shopkeeper. It's $20. Paul. Okay, I'll take this. Now repeat Paul's lines with me. Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt. It looks good. How much is this? Okay, I'll take this. Excellent. Now practice these sentences every day. You can speak alone. You can speak in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So today, you learned English phrases for shopping, how to speak in a shop, and simple and real English. Remember, you don't need fast English, you need clear English. Thank you so much for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Fluent World Podcast. I am Paul. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.